Glogster is an online poster which provides you with a nice alternative to presenting information opposed to using PowerPoint. Glogster you can access online by going to edu.glogster.com. Once you are on the site, you may click on under the EDU Basic to register for a virtual class. This allows you to create a teacher account with student accounts under yours, or you just may use it as a teacher. So under the Register to EDU section on the left, fill in the information, and at the bottom click on the Sign Up button, and you will then have a Glogster EDU account created. Once you log into Glogster, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Your dashboard is the main screen where you can create things. Click on the Create New Glog, and this will bring you to the Glog screen where you can start building your glog or your online poster. It gives you many presets that are built in just to show you what you can do with a basic glog. To get rid of any of these, simply click on the object and then press the pink trash can to delete it. I'm going to go ahead and delete the rest of these objects that are on the screen so we can start with a blank slate. Now you can go ahead and add things to your glog. The wall is your background image. Once you click on wall, you can see that there's many selections on the left. I'm going to click on the flowers here just to show you some of the options. I'll select a nice background and simply click on the Use It button to apply it. To see your wall that you just posted, click on the X, and then you can scroll down and see your whole image. Remember, this is a poster, so you may have to scroll up and down. You can now start adding things to your glog. You can use the magnet tool to move it on the side. It will always remain docked on the left side there, but you can move it up and down based on what you have. To add text, click on the text button, and you are given different options. I will click on this ABC text, and then click on the Use It button, and it's added it to my glog. I need to close out of my window to see what I've added. To change what the default that it has there, select it, click on the Edit button, and then change your text. I will just give the title Sample Title, click OK, and I can now move it around on my screen wherever I would like it to go. If I would like to change how it appears, click on the Edit button, click on the Edit Text, and then I can choose a different font from the list, or I can make it bold or centered, or even change the font size. Once I've made my adjustments, I click on the Apply button, and I can then have to click on the OK button again to go back to my glog. And now I can move the title that I just added around on my screen. You can now go about adding anything else that you'd like. You can add graphics, and graphics are just images that are built into Glogster. And you have your navigation on the left for the different categories. I'll choose just from the flowers here, I'll choose the animated butterfly. You'll see a preview on the right side. Click the Use It button, and it's added it to your glog. Hit the X to close out of the window, and now you can see where it's added it to your glog. You can click to move it around, enlarge it, rotate it. All of the options are right on your screen. So now I can see that I have my animated butterfly on my glog. If you would like to add additional text, you can do so by clicking the text button, scrolling through until you find an image that you like to use for your background for your text. I'll choose the paper here, click the Use It button, and it's already added. Close out of your window, and now you can see that you have your image for text there. Like we did with the title, click the Edit button, change your text, but here's some sample text, and then hit the OK button. If I want, I can go back and I can change any of the font settings, but as far as adding a basic graphic with text, it was just a couple clicks. You can also add things such as video or images. To add video, you can either upload or link to something that's already out there. You can add images that you have saved on your computer. You can add a frame to it. And you can basically create your glog in any way that you want. And remember, you have a whole poster here to work with and add things to. So you can do whatever you want. When you are done, click the Save and Publish button. Give your blog a meaningful name. I'm just going to give this the same title that I did before, and you'll see that it automatically gives you an address of your blog, so if people want to go to it. You must assign a category. I'll just choose school for this one. You can add any tags, so if anyone's searching for your blog, it will have a meaningful tag. I'll just add Godfrey Lee to this. It's just a sample one. Then on the right side, you can choose if it's a finished or unfinished public blog. I'm going to choose unfinished in case if I want to come back and do this. You can edit finished blogs at any time. Click the Save button to save your blog. It may take a moment. You'll see the loading sign. And then it will show you that your blog has been published. If you want to share your blog with someone, simply click on the link to copy it, and then you can paste it into an email or share it on a website. And as soon as someone clicks on that, they will go to your blog.